The first thing I'm gonna do is wash the watermelon. I will cut the watermelon in half. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. We only need the red part of the watermelon. I will grind the watermelon in a blender. Strain the watermelon juice through a strainer into a deep pan. I will remove the seeds and the pulp. I need the juice of 2 lemons. I add the juice of 2 lemons to the watermelon juice. I put the pot on the fire and wait for the juice to boil. Remove the foam that forms. The juice has boiled, and we cook only until we remove the foam. I sterilize the glass bottles in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. I sterilize the lids in boiling water for 15 minutes. I pour the hot juice into the bottles and close them immediately. Enjoy the taste of your favorite fruit all year round. Once the bottles have cooled, store them in a dark, cool place until ready to use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.